how to use the controls on the glowworm micracom, which is the same as the glowworm compact. First of all, we need to turn it on by pressing this button to the left here. This will now turn the boiler on, or if we press it again, it turns it off. Now we're back on again. If we press this button here, which is 3 lines, first of all, it's flashing central heating, so it's showing the heating is off. So we can use the plus key to take us to our desired temperature. So we want 55. Then we press the tick here, which has now accepted it. If we press the 3 dots again, it takes us to the hot water temperature. And again, we can reduce our hot temperature or increase our hot temperature to a maximum of 55. And again, don't forget to press that tick to accept. The next one we press across again. This is the pressure within the system. So you can see we've got 1.2 bar in this system. If we press it again, this goes into engineer's mode and we need to put in our secret number, press the tick to confirm, and we're now into the D settings.